Hey guys, and welcome back to those of you who are returning to my channel. And if you are new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also make sure that you hit the bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video here on my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I'm going to call it a soft glam makeup tutorial. So I'm going to start off with moisturizer, and today I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion, and we're just applying this onto my face. And next up I'm going in with my Miniso Aloe Soothing Facial Spray. Next up I'm going in with my GlamGlow Glowstarter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, and this is in the shade Nude Glow. You don't need a lot of this product, and you also don't apply this onto the entire face. So before I go in with foundation, I'm just going to cover up the areas where my spots are quite prominent. And to do that, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So now I'm going in with the sponge from Kryolan, and I'm just gonna make sure that the sponge is damp, and I'm using that same spray that we used in the beginning. And now for foundation, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and this is in the shade NC45. I wouldn't say generally, but whenever I use lately, when I use my MAC Studio Fix Fluid, I tend to go in and just try and cover up, because the coverage of this foundation is not as full as I would have loved for it to be. So it does help if I go in and just do a bit of spot concealing before I go in with my foundation. I'm not entirely happy with the coverage. I don't know if you guys are able to see, but some of my imperfections are still peeking through. So I wish I had gone in with a bit more concealer, but that's fine. So now to highlight my face, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible More Than Concealer. That's what it looks like. If you guys would like to see a review on this concealer, I will link it up top right over here or in the description box below. But this concealer is very full coverage. Now to contour my face, I'm going in with the MAC Pro Conceal palette, and this is in the shade dark. I'm going in with these two shades. I generally mix them together. So now we go in and we're going to set the areas where I've highlighted. So now to set that cream contour, I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder, and this is in the shade NW45. So I'm once again going in with my Miniso spray, and I'm just quickly going to clean this up, or at least brush it down, you know. So I went ahead and I did my eyebrows off camera. I was planning on filming the process, but I thought I've done it so many times before, so that's why I just went ahead and did it off camera. So now I'm going in with blush, and this is the MAC Pinch Me Blush. And now I just want to further brighten my under eye area, and I'm going in with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless powder in the shade 220, so this is natural beige. So now I'm gonna do a very like subtle eye, nothing too dramatic, and I would like, let me actually use this palette. So I'm gonna go in with the In My Ex palette. It's very broken, as you can see. So I'm gonna start off with this shade and essentially intensify with the shade. So I'm gonna start with this one and move on to this one. And now I'm going in with the shade over here, and I'm just gonna place that on the arch of my brow, so over here. And now I'm going in with my Slays for Days palette, so I'm jumping into these two shades. And now I'm going in with my aqua liner from Kryolan. And for mascara, I'm going in with the Clinique High Impact Lash Everlasting Mascara. Oh! Look at that! All my hard work. So for false lashes, I'm going with the Ilia Luxe 3D, and this is in the style Tiffany. That's what they look like. How stunning are these lashes? Wow, I love them. So now we're gonna move on to highlighter. I'm going in with my MAC Hyper Real Glow palette. For lips, I'm going in with the Smashbox Lippy, and then I'm gonna top that off with this MAC lip gloss. And there we have it. Done, done, done. I really love this look. I am so obsessed with it. So let me know what you guys think by commenting down below. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching. It's good to be back filming a makeup tutorial. I really enjoyed creating this look. Let me know down below what you guys, I can't stop staring at myself. Let me know down below what you guys would like to see next year on my channel, and I will of course film that for you guys. Anyhow, thanks so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in the next one.